All right, guys, welcome back to GNS Designs. Today the Corvette came back. We're gonna do a little preview what we might be doing later for his hood and some trim. Here's Aaron right now.
What up, brother? Yeah, let's do it, Gino.
All right, so Aaron, what are we doing over here? What is it that you want to do?
I'm gonna put a little hood decal on here.
A little pizzazz.
Yeah, get some funk in it.
So you want something put up on here?
Yeah, maybe match the roof. Do some carbon fiber. Get it glowing. We're gonna do this little chrome piece here. You already put a sample on. It's looking sweet. Ready to rock.
All right, guys, well, we're gonna put a piece of matte black on it right now. We're gonna do some knifeless tape just so he can see what it looks like, and if he doesn't like it, we'll change it until he gets it the way he wants it. So stay tuned.
Okay, man, something like this, huh? Line it up. I know you're wanting to touch it, Gene.
Man, look at this. You got some creases and stuff in there.
Wow, and I'm off to the right. I'm off to the right.
Hope you don't drive as crooked as you put that down there.
What do you think, YouTube crew? You like it? Hey, Gino, peace out, my brother, huh?
All right, see you next time.
Downside. Nice work. I appreciate it.
Stay tuned for some more badass Corvettes. Alright, guys, this is GNS Designs and more. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to go out to Aaron Lockhart's house and I'm going to work on a 2014 Corvette. What we had worked on it earlier, probably about a couple months ago or less. But I'm going to do some stuff to his hood, add some carbon fiber accents. We're going to get rid of his chrome he has in the front of it. But I wanted to show you guys some of the tools that I use to do the job and get it done. So here we go. So what you see here is a knifeless tape, which helps it so you don't really cut it on the car. Here's, you know, with this a painter tape, but so it doesn't really stick to the car that well in case you need to do some extra stuff. Some tools to take stuff off the car. Some knives. Some couple of tuck tools. You got this piece right here is a regular squeegee from Avery Dennison. I love this tool out of all of them. It works really well. It's flimsy, but you can also get it to the point where it's presses things down. You gotta have the GoPro handle. Then you got this here. You gotta make sure that your knives are sharp so when you're doing the job it doesn't leave any tear marks. You got the Rapid Tack in case the material doesn't work well for you. You got Aquanel, which I personally like to use, but there's other cleaners out there. Like I got this other one over here too. This is from Avery Dennison, cleaner for car wraps. I use that as well. You gotta have 7% isopropyl alcohol, and look at, we got all these fancy little tools to help so you don't mess up the paint when you're taking off the tools and stuff, the whatever it is that you need. And then trusty chemical guy's bucket with all my rags in it. Yep. So we're gonna pack up, put everything in the car. I'm gonna bolt you guys on here, and here we go. right, guys, so I made it at Lockhart's house with Nick.
What's up?
And here's Nick, here he is. And here's the Corvette right here. So we're gonna be doing a few things over here. Gonna do this chrome delete right here. And then we're gonna put some carbon fiber on here. So right now, Nate's gonna go out and he's gonna take my car right now. He's gonna take a ride in this little car right here. He's been wanting to for a long time. Aaron convinced me to bring it out for him, so I brought it out for him. So let's see what he can do. Take it easy, don't break my baby. I got a little bit of duct tape in there holding up my side panel right there, but you know, I gotta fix that.
Yeah, I'll try not to.
Don't break my duct tape.
Yeah, I will.
Plastic tools for the job. Okay, carefully take it off. Now all these clips, you just snap in here. And so they have these rubber washers on here too. So that way when you put it back on, it doesn't vibrate when you put it back on. Alright, the design line is right here. Basically, I'm going to take this, I'm going to put it on the outline, put the material on and cut it without using a blade. So this has got like a filament in it. Inside here, you can see.
That's why I find your zone every day.